Welcome to TechTether.
192.168.10.1 Wi-Fi repeater setup. Before you start, ensure that you have all the setup requirements covered. From WavLink login credentials and Wi-Fi network details to a high-performance device, you must have all these things before you start. Your first step should be running a wire from your modem or router to your WavLink device to establish a connection. Once done, plug in your WavLink Wi-Fi device and then connect your computer or mobile device to it via a wired or wireless connection. In the next step, launch the 192.168.10.1 Wi-Fi repeater setup portal on the web. This is where you will be configuring your WavLink device. Log into your WavLink account if you have one. But if you don't have one, use the default login credentials to complete the mandatory login process. On the dashboard, navigate to the Setup option and select your device. Find out the SSID of the network that you want to configure and then simply keep moving ahead in the 192.168.10.1 Wi-Fi repeater setup process by following the on-screen instructions. Your device will be configured within minutes, and it will be all set to broadcast its network all across your space.
Thanks for watching.